Becoming a QA automation tester involves developing technical skills, gaining experience in software testing, and mastering automation tools and best practices. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pursue a career as a QA automation tester. 1. Understand the basics of software testing. Learn the fundamentals of software testing, including different types of testing, functional, regression, performance, etc., and the software development life cycle, SDLC. Familiarize yourself with key concepts like test planning, test case design, test execution, and defect tracking. 2. Develop technical skills. Programming skills. Gain proficiency in programming languages commonly used in automation, such as Java, Python, JavaScript, or C#. Understanding basic coding concepts, such as loops, conditionals, and object-oriented programming, is essential. Scripting. Learn to write scripts that automate repetitive tasks, which is a foundational skill for test automation. 3. Learn automation tools and frameworks. Gain hands-on experience with popular automation tools such as Selenium, widely used for web application testing. Cypress, known for fast and reliable end-to-end testing. Appium, used for mobile application testing. JUnit/TestNG, frameworks for unit and integration testing. Learn to use continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD, tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, or Circle CI to automate test execution as part of the build process. 4. Understand test automation frameworks. Learn about different types of test automation frameworks, including data-driven, keyword-driven, and hybrid frameworks. Understanding these will help you design maintainable and scalable test scripts. 5. Gain experience with version control systems. Familiarize yourself with version control tools like Git to manage code changes, collaborate with team members, and maintain your test scripts. 6. Develop problem-solving and debugging skills. Automation testers often need to troubleshoot failed tests and debug scripts. Develop strong analytical and problem-solving skills to identify root causes and resolve issues efficiently. 7. Build a portfolio of automated tests. Create a portfolio showcasing your test scripts and projects. Set up a GitHub repository to display your work, including examples of automated tests, framework designs, and any contributions to open-source projects. 8. Gain practical experience. Start with internships, freelancing, or entry-level positions that involve testing. Many roles in manual testing can be a stepping stone to automation as they allow you to understand the testing process and gradually move into automation. 9. Certifications and courses. Consider obtaining certifications such as ISTP, International Software Testing Qualifications Board, Certified Selenium Tester, or courses in automation tools to validate your skills and knowledge. Online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Pluralsight, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses on test automation that can help you learn at your own pace. 10. Network and join communities. Join QA communities, forums, and meetups to learn from experienced testers and stay updated on industry trends. Engaging with others in the field can provide valuable insights, job leads, and learning opportunities. 11. Prepare for interviews. Practice common QA automation interview questions, such as explaining automation frameworks, debugging test cases, and writing test scripts on the spot. Focus on explaining your approach, problem-solving skills, and experience with automation tools. 12. Stay updated on industry trends. The field of test automation is continuously evolving with new tools and practices. Stay current by reading blogs, attending webinars, and experimenting with new tools to keep your skills relevant.